Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok Shop affiliate in the Philippines. So let's get started. Now, TikTok affiliate is basically like being an endorser. Every time someone buys a product through your video, you earn a commission. And the first thing to know is that not everyone can immediately become an affiliate because TikTok has a few requirements. Your account needs to be in a good standing with no violations, first of all. You need to be at least 18 years old, and your account must have at least 600 followers, which is the current minimum to qualify. Once you meet all those requirements, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Then you want to tap the three lines at the top. Then from here, you want to click on TikTok Studio. And on this page, you'll have an option to apply once you have met all the requirements. And if you don't have enough followers yet, the best approach is to keep posting quality content consistently. Focus on videos that are engaging, helpful, or entertaining. TikTok rewards consistent, quality content, and that will grow your followers over time. And alternatively, if you want to start earning immediately without waiting for followers, you can become a TikTok seller. Being a seller automatically gives you access to the yellow basket, and then you can promote your own products as an affiliate. To become a seller, you need to be registered with the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR in the Philippines, so TikTok can verify your business legally. Once you are approved as either a creator or a seller, you can start promoting products, earning commissions, and even exploring tools like analytics and sales tracking inside the TikTok shop. With consistent effort and quality content, this can turn into a solid source of income. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!